Today, I'll show you how to create blur effects in Substance Painter using fill layers, generators, and the blur filters. We'll look at standard blur, blur slope, and blur directional so you can add smooth, stylized, or directional softness to your textures. Start by adding a fill layer. Give it a dark color. This will help the blur effects stand out visually. Next, right-click the fill layer and add a black mask. Then add a generator, and choose the dust generator. You'll see dust patterns appear across the surface. This will be the texture will blur. With a mask selected, right-click and add a filter. This filter will allow us to apply different types of blur to the mask dust. First, switch the filter to blur. This gives you a basic softening effect, perfect for smooth gradients and subtle texture transitions. Next, try blur slope. This blur looks at the height differences in the texture and softens them based on slope and curvature. The result is more stylized and organic, great for weathering or natural surface blending. Finally, switch to Blur Directional. This gives you a motion style blur, stretching the texture in a specific direction. You can control both the angle and intensity, making it useful for stylized streaks or environmental effects. By combining a fill layer, a dust generator, and different blur filters, you can create soft transitions, stylized weathering, and dynamic directional effects in Substance Painter. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Substance Painter tips.